Very good afternoon, dear student. The last class discussed about how to find the X matrix and Y matrix, or how to find the A matrix and B matrix. So very important topic today discuss about transpose of matrix. Transpose of matrix. What is the meaning of the transpose of matrix, or else what is the definition of the transpose of matrix? Means the matrix obtained by interchanging rows and columns. It is called transpose of the given matrix. It is denoted by A power T or A power dash. Transpose of matrix nothing but a matrix obtained by interchanging rows and columns. Means they are given one matrix, we can replace the rows can be replaced with the column. The type of matrix it is called transpose of matrix. So write the definition. A matrix obtained by interchanging rows and columns. It is called transpose of matrix. Transpose of a given matrix. It is denoted by A power of T or else A power of dash. Transpose means what? One place to change to the another place. Transpose nothing but transport. Transport is nothing but we have to change to the one place to another place. That's why it is called a transport. That's why here the transpose of matrix means interchanging rows and columns. It is nothing but a transpose of matrix. What is the definition? A matrix obtained by interchanging rows and columns. It is called transpose of a given matrix. It is denoted by A power of T or A power of T. See as example. Suppose if A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Find the transpose of matrix. So what is the transpose of matrix? It is denoted by A power T or A power of 1. That's rubbish. You can take anything. So I am taking A power of T or A power of 1. A power of T or A power of 1. So what is the given? Row they given. This is the column, not row. This is vertical lines. It is called a column. Horizontal lines. It is called a rows. Now what is the given condition? The matrix obtained by interchanging rows and columns. Here, this is the first row. First I can written as first column. First row I can written as first column. Second row can be written as second column. Third I can be written as third column. Finished. Or else this is the first column. Interchanging column and rows. That's why first column replaced with the first row. That's why they are given vertical lines. You can write the horizontal line. I think everyone understood. They are given here. This is the first row. What they give definition? Interchanging rows and column. First row interchanging. That's why first you have to write like that. First column. Second row taking like that. You can write second interchanging. Third row interchanging. Third column. Or else this is the first vertical line. So vertical line can be written as horizontal. So vertical you can write in horizontal. Then everyone understood how to find the transpose of the matrix. Another example. Another one. A is equal to 1, 2, 4, 5. How to find the transpose of the matrix? Transpose of the matrix denoted by A power of T or A power of dash. What is the condition? Interchanging rows and columns. Here, this is the first row. First row can be written as first column. First row can be written as first column. That's why 1, 2. Next, second row replaced with the second column. Row will be there, right? Column. So 4, 5. Here first row replace with first column. Second row replace with second column. Or else this is the first column. First column replace with the first row. 1 4 column can be written as first row. That's why 1 4 can be written as first row. Next row. Second column. Second column can be replaced with the second row. 2 5 can be written as second row. 2 5. Or else vertical lines replace with horizontal. 1 4 can be written horizontal. So 1 4. Next row. 2 5 is a vertical line. Vertical line can be replaced with horizontal. 2 5 can be written as horizontal like that. 2 5. Only don't fear, don't confusion. Very easy. What there are some definition is a matrix obtained by interchanging rows and columns. Rows replace with the columns, or else columns replace with the rows. First is the horizontal line, it is called row. So row replace with the first column. Second row replace with the second column. That is get the transpose of the matrix. So one more example. A is equal to 1 2 5 3 6 5. Right, transpose A transpose or A power of 1 is equal to, so don't confusion, A power of 3 or A power of 1. This is the first row. First row replace with the first column. Horizontal you can write vertical. 1 2 5 you can write first column. 1 2 5. Second row replace with the second column. This is second row, this is a second column. That's the second row replace with second column. 3 6 5. So now interchanging the rows and columns. First row replace with first column, second row replace with the second column. Or else horizontal lines you write the vertical lines. Or else vertical line, this is a vertical line, horizontal. 1 3 can be written vertical line, horizontal. 2 6 right, horizontal line. 5 5 can write horizontal. That's your wish. We can take horizontal write the vertical lines, or else rows we have to replace with the columns, or else columns replace with the rows. We can write anything. Answer finally get the same answer. This is also again transpose of matrix is nothing but a matrix obtained by interchanging rows and columns. It is called a transpose of the given matrix. Next, properties. Properties of transpose matrix. Properties of transpose matrix. So properties of transpose matrix, first condition is A transpose whole transpose. That value is A or not? A transpose whole transpose, that value is A. How means here? Take A is equal to 1 to 4 5. A transpose to calculate. A transpose is equal to interchanging rows and column. First one can replace first column, second one replace with the second column. 4 again. A transpose whole transpose. Same thing. Rows and columns interchanging. First one can replace with the first column, second one replace with the second column. So here 1 to 4, which matrix that is a A matrix. That's why A transpose whole transpose is nothing but A. So that is the first case. Next to second case. A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Overall, another one is A minus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. We can do LHS part to A minus B subtracting the both the matrix. After that, to calculate the transpose matrix, and both the matrix we are getting same transpose of the matrix. Third case, AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. Next to fourth condition is KA whole transpose. K is nothing but scalar or real number. That's why K take out only A transpose. Only 4 properties of transpose of the matrix. First property is A transpose whole transpose is nothing but capital A. Or else B transpose whole transpose is nothing but B transpose, B only. C transpose whole transpose is nothing but C only, like that. A plus whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Or else A minus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. Next one third is product the two matrices. AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Next fourth one is KA whole transpose is equal to K into A transpose. K is a scalar. K is a scalar. Scalar is nothing but real number. Everyone understood? What is the definition of the transpose of matrix? A matrix obtained by interchanging rows and columns. It is called transpose of the matrix. So transpose of the matrix is denoted by a power of t or a power of 1 or a power of x. It is nothing but transpose of the matrix. Everyone understood? Now we are going to transpose. Very very easy. Don't confuse. I am explaining all the examples and also properties. Very very easy. Okay, first question. Find transpose of the each following the questions. Find transpose of the each following the questions. See the first question. 5 1 by 2 minus 1. Capital A is equal to 5 1 by 2 minus 1. Next second question. A is equal to 1 minus 1 2 3. Next third one. So B is equal to minus 1 5 6 minus 1 5 6 3 4 3 5 6 2 3 minus 1. What they are asking? Find the transpose of the each following question. Is what are the given matrix to calculate the transpose of the matrix? Here first of all, what are the order of the matrix? How many rows is there? 1 2 3. 3 rows, only 1 column. So how many rows is there? Only 3 rows and 1 column. Whenever interchanging rows and columns, we get the 1 by 3. So how to find the transpose of the matrix? Solution. See here, A transpose is equal to, that is solution. First one solution. A transpose, because of transpose of the matrix denoted by A power of 1 or else A power of t. I am taking A power of 1. What is the definition? Interchanging rows and columns. It is called rows of the matrix. Here now first row can be written. First row can be written as first column. First element. It is a first row. First row replaced with the first column. Second row replaced with the second column. Second row replaced with the second column. Third row replaced with the third column. So now how many rows is there? Only 1 rows. How many columns is there? 3 columns. Here rows and columns. Number of rows into column. First we are taking rows. After that column. How many rows is there? 3 rows and 1 column. Now interchanging the rows and column, what are you getting? 1 by 3. We are getting or not? So like that we can solve the transpose of the matrix. Or else this is first column. First column replaced with first row. That's why first column we have replaced with the first row. Or else this is vertical line. So vertical line replaced with the horizontal line. That's why this vertical we are writing horizontal. Everyone understood? There are 3 methods. Any method we can follow, we getting same value. Okay. Next, second one. What is order of the matrix? How many rows is there? 2 rows. How many columns? 2 columns. That's why 2 by 2 matrix. It is nothing but a square matrix. They are asking to calculate transpose of the matrix. How write this one? First row can be replaced with the first column. That's why first row we are writing with the first column. First row what is the element? 1 minus 1. We are writing first column. Next, 2 3 is the second row. 2 3 is the second row, can be replaced with the second column. 2. So how many rows we say? 2 rows. It is a transpose of the matrix. Or else this is the first column. This is the first column. First column replaced with the first row. 1 2 can be replaced as first row. 1 2. Next one. Minus 1 3 is the second column. Second column replaced with second row. So minus 1 you are with 3, you are writing second. Or else what taking horizontal or vertical. So here, this is the vertical line. This is the vertical line. Vertical line replaced with the horizontal. So 1 2 we are writing horizontal. Next one. Minus 1 3 is the vertical line. Vertical line we can replace with the horizontal. So 1. You are visiting. Okay. Next one. Third one. See what is order of the matrix? How many rows is there? 3 rows. How many columns is there? 3 columns. So 3 by 3 is also a square matrix. What is the given B? So to calculate transpose of the B matrix is equal to first column replace with the first row replace with the first column. So minus 1, 5, 6. This is the first column. You replace with the first row replace with the first column. Root 3 minus 5, 6. Root 3, 5, 6. It is a second row. Second row replace with the second column. Root 3, 5, 6. Next row. Third row replace with the third column. 2, 3, minus 1. How many rows is there? 3 rows? 3 columns. Okay na? Rows and columns both are same. Interchanging also same thing only will be. So listen once again. To calculate transpose of the given matrix. Here given matrix here. Or find the matrix transpose of the matrix interchanging rows and columns. So first row interchanging first column. Second row interchanging second column. Third row interchanging third column. Or else vertical line interchanging horizontally. Vertical interchanging, that's why this is vertical line interchanging the horizontal line. Okay, understood? Second one given matrix 2 by 2 matrix. To calculate transpose of the matrix means interchanging rows and columns. First row interchanging first column, second row interchanging second, or else first row replace with first column. Because of 1 minus 1 replace with first column. First row replace with first column, second row replace with second column. That's why first row you have to replace with the first column, second row replace with the second column. Means interchanging. Next one. First row replace with first column, second row replace with second column, third column replace with third, or else interchanging. First row interchanging first column, second row interchanging second column, third row interchanging third column. This is the transpose of the matrix. Everyone understand how to find the transpose of the matrix? Now we are going to okay. Very easy. 6 marks must be very important this topic. I think everyone understood the concept this one. How to find the transpose of the matrix means very one interchanging rows and column. Row they given interchanging column wise you can write. Row elements you can write column wise, column elements you can write row wise. Now second question, very important 6 marks questions. If give capital A is equal to 132 1 3 2 minus 2 1 0 minus 2 1 0 and B matrix minus 1 0 2 minus 1 0 2 minus 2 2 minus 2 2 verify. So verify A plus B whole transpose is equal to B trans A plus whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. What they are asking? If capital A is equal to 1 2 3 minus 2 1 0 and B is equal to minus 1 0 2 minus 2 2 3, verify that A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. For the given question, if capital A is equal to 1 3 2 minus 2 1 0 and capital B is equal to minus 1 0 2 minus 2 2 3, verify A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. To simplify LHS value and RHS value, whenever simplify both the values, both matrices are set, that is given conditions are satisfied. So first of all, how to find the matrix? We can see the solution. Let capital A is equal to 1 3 2 minus 2 1 0. So what is this transpose? A transpose is equal to interchanging rows and columns. So first row elements can be replaced with the first column, second row elements can be replaced with the second column. Here first row element can be replaced with the first column 1 3 2. Next row second row elements replaced with the second column, that's why minus 2 1 0. Next to B matrix you can take B is equal to minus 1 0 2 minus 2 2 3 implies by B transpose B transpose of same thing. What is the given? Interchanging the rows and columns. So row elements are interchanging first column elements. That's why row interchanging first column -1 0 2. Next second row interchanging second column. So this same is only interchanging. Second column interchanging second column -2 2 3. Now take LHS what? The given question LHS. Now first to calculate A plus B. First to calculate A plus B. What are the getting matters to calculate transpose of the A plus B. That's why first to calculating A plus B. First to calculate A plus B is equal to substitute given matters. Go substitute A transpose of B plus what they given A plus B. That's why what is the given matters substitute A is given 1 3 2 -2 1 0. Next to plus B matrix -1 0 2 -2 2 is equal to now adding corresponding elements 1 plus of -1 1 plus of -1 3 plus 0 2 plus 2 -2 plus of -2 and 1 plus 2 and 0 plus 3. Simplify this one 0 3 4 -4 1 plus 2 is 3 3 plus 2 is 3. This is nothing but A plus B. So what are they getting? A plus B matrix we are getting A plus B is equal to 0 3 4 -4 3 3. What they are asking to calculate A plus B whole term, that is left hand side LHS. They are asking A plus B whole transpose. So what is A plus B matrix? 0 3 4 -4 3. Transpose means interchanging rows and columns. So first row interchanging first column. That's why first row interchanging first column is 0 3 4 is the first row interchanging first column. Second row is the -4 3 3 interchanging second column. So -4 3 3. This is the left hand side value. Next to calculate RHS. What is RHS? RHS what is there? A transpose plus B transpose. Now substitute transpose matrix value. What is A transpose value you are getting? 1 -2 3 1 2 0 plus B matrix you are getting -1 -2 0 2 2 3. Now we are adding corresponding elements. 1 plus of -1 -2 plus of -2 3 plus 0 1 plus 2 2 plus 2 0 plus 3 is equal to 1 plus of -1 -1 -1 is 0 -4 3 3 4. See the both the questions LHS for A plus B whole transpose value is 0 -4 3 3 4 3 and A transpose plus B transpose value also 0 -4 3 3 4 3. So both the matrices are same or not? That's why right conclusion LHS left hand side is equal to RHS. So A plus B whole transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose plus B transpose. This condition satisfied or not? So both the only verify means check it. Both the LHS and RHS both are equal or not? That's the verify. So now LHS and RHS both are equal. That's why we are writing A plus whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Suppose both the matrices are not equal, we write not equal. Okay? So one time reason we give A matrix. Now we are replace with A transpose. This to calculate A transpose, first one replace with first column, second one replace with second. Same like B given matrix -1 0 2 -2 2 3. This one can replace with the first column replace with first row, first one replace with first column. Next here observe this one. First to calculate A plus B, after that to calculate A plus B whole term. That's why first we are calculating A. The sum of the two matrices are getting is 0 3 4 -4 3 3. What is the last one I said? Transpose of the A plus. That's why we are calculating transpose of the A plus. That's why row first one can be replaced with the first column, second row can be replaced with the second column. Next right hand side. What is the right hand side? A transpose plus B transpose means to calculate sum of the transpose of A matrix and transpose of B matrix. So A transpose what is the matrix? 1 minus 2 3 1 2 0 plus transpose of B matrix is minus 1 minus 2 0 2 2. After that we are adding the corresponding units. Finally we get the values 0 minus 4 3 3 4 3. Observe both the LHS part and RHS both are equal. Thus finally we are writing conclusion. LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is nothing but transpose of the A plus B is equal to transpose of A matrix plus transpose of the B matrix. Very easy, very important. You have understood how to find the A plus B transpose is equal to A transpose and B matrix. Next third question. This is the last question in this method. So don't confuse, I am explaining step by step how to find the transpose of the matrix, how to find the A transpose plus B transpose, how to find the A plus B transpose. That is I am explaining step by step. Don't confuse. Very easy method. Some third one. This one also important, same method. Third question. If capital A is equal to, if capital A is equal to 3 1 2 4 3 5, 3 1 2 4 3 5, and capital B is equal to 2 minus 1 9 2 minus 1 9 4 3 2. Same method of verify A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. 7 understood? What is the last question? If capital A is equal to 3 1 2 4 3 5 and B is equal to 2 minus 1 9 4 3 2, verify that A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus. What are the given question? If capital A is equal to 3 1 2 4 3 5, capital B matrix is equal to 2 minus 1 9 4 3 4 3 2, verify A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. We are checking LHS part and RHS both are equal or not. That's why to calculate LHS part value and RHS part value. So how to calculate LHS part and RHS value? In the solution. Let capital A is equal to 3 1 2 4 3 5. Write the transpose of A matrix. Interchanging rows and columns. So row replace with the first column. So 3 1 2 can be written as first column. Second row can be written as second column. Second row. First row can be replaced with first column. Second row replaced with the second column. Next B matrix. 2 minus 1 9 4 3 2. To calculate transpose of the B matrix means first row can be written as first column, means first row can be replaced with first column. 2 minus 1 9 is the first row, can be replaced with the first column. Second row replaced with the second column. It is 4 3 2. See the question. First to calculate A plus B, what are the getting matters to calculate? Transpose of the A plus B. That's why first to prove that A plus B. First to prove that A plus B matrix. Now substitute the A and B matrix. A matrix is 3 1 2. Don't substitute the transpose of A matrix and B matrix because of only we are adding given A matrix and B matrix. Only substituting the given matrices. 4 3 5 plus B matrix is 2 minus 1 9 4 3 2. Now we are adding corresponding elements. A plus B is equal to first element plus first element. 3 plus 2 1 plus half minus 1 2 plus 1. Second row first element 4 plus 4 3 plus 3 5 plus 1. Now simplify these values. A plus B is equal to 3 plus 2 is 5, 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 plus 9 value is 11, 4 plus 4 value is 8, 3 plus 3 value is 6, 5 plus 2. So what is the last thing? LHS part. 3 1 2 4 3 5 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 plus 9 value is 11, 4 plus 4 value is 8, 3 plus 3 value is 6, 5 plus 2. So what is the last thing? LHS part. 3 1 2 4 3 5 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 plus 9 value is 11, 4 plus 4 value is 8, 3 plus 3 value is 6, 5 plus 2. So what is the last thing? LHS part. 3 1 2 4 3 5 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 plus 9 value is 11, 4 plus 4 value is 8, 3 plus 3 value is 6, 5 plus 2. So what is the last thing? LHS part. 3 1 2 4 3 5 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 plus 9 value is 11, 4 plus 4 value is 8, 3 plus 3 value is 6, 5 plus 2. So what is the last thing? LHS part. 3 1 2 4 3 5 1 you get the A plus B matrix. But what they are asking to calculate transpose of the A plus. Take LHS part value. First one, the A plus B are getting matrix. A plus B is equal to the getting matrix is 501 861 501 867 501 50 not 1 50 11 50 11 861. What they are asking LHS part to calculate A plus B transpose of the A plus B matrix. So now what are the getting A plus B matrix? 5011 867 to calculate transpose of the A plus B matrix. So row can replace with the first row can replace with first comma 5011, second row can replace with the second comma 867. So LHS part we got. Next to calculate RHS part. What is RHS? A transpose plus B transpose. So now substitute the transpose of the